Namaste and welcome to easyayurveda.com. I am Dr. Janardhana V. Hebbar. Today let us learn about a sandalwood remedy for burning urination with bleeding. First, let us learn about how this remedy is prepared and then let us analyze how this remedy works. This home remedy is mentioned in two ancient Ayurvedic textbooks, Chakradatta and Bhava Prakasha. The shloka reads, Shrutashita payo annashi Chandanam Tandulambuna Pibet Sasharkaram Shreshtam Ushnavate Sashonite. Let us break down the shloka and understand its meaning. Shruta Shita Payo. Shruta means to boil, Shita means to cool. Payo means milk. Shruta Shita Payo means we have to take boiled and cooled milk. Next, Annashi. Anna Ashi. Cooked rice eating. Anna means cooked rice. Ashi means to eat. This means that person should eat cooked rice with boiled and cooled milk. This is the diet to follow for the remedy. So where is the remedy? It is explained in the next few words. Next, Chandanam, sandalwood. It can be sandalwood paste or powder. Next, Tandulambuna. Tandula means uncooked rice grains. Ambu means water. So as first stage of this remedy, we have to prepare Tandulambu. This is also called Tandulodaka. It is prepared by adding 1 part of broken rice to 8 parts of cold water, macerated thoroughly for a few minutes. It is filtered. This is Tandulambu. So the textbook is saying here that we should consume sandalwood paste or powder along with this Tandulambu, rice washed water. Next, Pibet Sasharkaram. Pibet means to consume, Sasharkaram along with candy sugar. So sandalwood paste or powder plus rice washed water plus candy sugar. Next, Shreshtam Ushnavate. Shreshta means great. This remedy is great to treat Ushnavata. Ushnavata is a urinary tract disorder occurring in a person who drinks less water and exposes himself to hot summer. The urine turns yellow. And next, Sashonite. Urine might be mixed with blood. So this remedy is useful in people who pass blood along with urine, who suffer from burning sensation and who pass turbid yellow urine. So this is the theory part. Let us get into the practical. First, let us prepare Tandulambu. 1 part of broken rice is to be taken. Here we take the full rice, pound it gently to prepare broken rice. So 20 grams of broken rice is here. We are adding 8 parts of water, that is 160 ml of water. Mix well, macerate well by hand or with the help of a spoon. So this mixing should be done for few minutes. Then filter. Your Tandulodaka is ready. Next, we will prepare sandalwood paste. If you do not have it, you can easily use sandalwood powder itself directly. So this is the sandalwood plate. This is sandalwood powder ball and sandalwood stem piece. Usually Hindu people will have them at home for puja purposes. Add a few drops of water on the plate. Rub the powder ball gently and then rub with the stem piece. For 1 to 2 minutes, your sandalwood paste is ready. So, add this paste or sandalwood powder, half a teaspoon to Tandulodaka. Add half a teaspoon of candy sugar or sugar to it. Mix well. So your home remedy is ready. This is to be taken 2 to 3 times in a day for people with burning sensation associated with bleeding. While taking this remedy, rice milk diet is to be followed. Please take the opinion of your doctor before following this remedy, especially while using it in children, pregnant and lactating mothers. This remedy is safe for patients with high blood pressure or diabetes. Once you prepare it, you have to take this remedy within 4 to 5 hours. So how this remedy acts? Ushna Vata, burning micturition with bleeding, is a classical aggravated pitta problem afflicting blood and urine. It is caused due to highly imbalanced, highly aggravated pitta dosha. Pitta can be understood as fire element. To calm pitta down, we have to use coolant remedy. Sandalwood is a natural coolant and is a very good styptic as well. It blocks bleeding and unwanted secretions. Rice washed water is again a coolant, so also are candy sugar and cooked rice with milk. So it checks bleeding and brings down pitta dosha, thus brings down burning sensation. This remedy can be a good adjuvant in urinary tract infection as well. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. This is your Ayurveda doctor Janardana V. Hebbar signing off. Namaste.